Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. Figma here to celebrate its IPO. Its chair, CEO, and president, Dylan Field, is set to ring the opening bell in just a few moments. This company provides browser-based design software, raised $1.2 billion in its IPO, pricing above an upwardly revised range, and valued at more than $19 billion at that offer price. Well, joining me now with more is NYSE content creator Ashley Mastronardi. Ashley, great to have you in studio.
So good to be here on such an exciting day.
I know, I was going to say, we can feel the excitement. It is palpable here indeed. What can you tell us about Figma?
Figma was founded in 2012. Dylan Field, the president, CEO, and chair, he took a Thiel Fellowship. It was $100,000 to start his own venture, and today they're going public. And I worked as a project manager for about 7 years at a large company. I was working on an in-house advertising department, and I can tell you that version control, we were not using Figma, and version control was really an issue, and we would route files via email, and there was no way to really comment on the files, and there wasn't that functionality to actually get to have everyone inside the document. And I've spoken to a few designers, and they say that it's really revolutionized their process internally. So multiple stakeholders, because if you're on a design team,
yes,
there's a marketing approval, there's copywriting approval, there's senior leadership approval.
Right.
So what Figma does is it brings all stakeholders into one document.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. And I know obviously going public here at the stock exchange is an experience. Let's walk through what we can expect for Dylan Field's big day here at the NYSE.
So it is a very high-touch experience going public at the New York Stock Exchange. Of course, if you've ever seen the outside of the exchange and you're a viewer, you'll know that we post banners. So this morning, Dylan and his team took photos outside of the facade. There was a boardroom experience. We usually air the boardrooms on the show. He just entered the floor a few minutes ago, with colleagues, friends, family. He, took pictures under the podium. He will, he's at the podium right now. So, and he signed the distinguished guest book. Many bell ringers do that. And then they also sign the wall leading up to the bell podium. There is a wall with many signatures of bell ringers and senior leadership from these companies that ring our bell. And in just a few minutes, we're gonna hear the fruits of his efforts for all these years.
Absolutely. We're just about 20 seconds away. Ashley, we do see Dylan Fields up there, of course, on the opening bell podium alongside Dylan Field, alongside the NYSE president, Lynn Martin. All sorts of photos will ensue. And I know, Ashley, you're going to be joining us after the bell for a little bit more color on Figma as well. But we do see, indeed, that the Figma chants have started down there on the opening bell podium. And let's take a live look as the markets are set to open.